The keyboard and mouse, or trackpad, are how you tell a computer what to do. A little practice with both makes everything else faster. Use both hands, rest your fingers on the home row. Left is ASDF, right is JKL semicolon. Look at the screen, not the keys once you know the layout. Shift equals capital letter or the symbol on top of a number key. Backspace deletes the character to the left. Delete deletes to the right. Left-click, select or open. Double-click, open a file or app. Right-click, open a menu of options. Copy, paste, rename, delete. Scroll wheel or two-finger scroll move up and down a page. Open a blank document and practice typing one short paragraph about your day. Use Ctrl plus S to save, Ctrl plus A to select all, and Ctrl plus C or V to copy and paste it.